Let me ask you, how do you show your integrity to your team? Tell me. How does your team know that they can trust you as a leader? Explain that to me. And if you can't explain that in detail, then that's something that you need to work on. And that's what creates authenticity. Next meeting, I want you to open up and be like, hey, I want to keep this moving forward. But in the meantime, I want us to take 10 minutes and have a real talk. No agenda, just us. And I want us to share a win and a worry. Each of us, what are we worried about with our job? And it could be anything. Maybe you're worried about me not liking you. I don't know what it is. We're going to be really open. And then I want us to share a win, something that you've had a win in your life. And you're going to have people. I've done this. They're going to be like, oh, I kind of feel like stretched thin with this and this. And I've had to take on this other responsibility. And you know what happens in that moment? You're creating trust. And you can be upfront about it. It's like data. Taking that information, and it's gold, because the information they're going to tell you, if you track that and write that down and then you follow up with them, guess what's going to happen? They're going to begin to trust you you couldn't even imagine, because they're going to know that you cared.